Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In the previous session, we discussed the Walter method of the dividend policy. In this session, we will first start with a problem based on Walter method and then we will move on to Gordon method. So let's start the question. A company has 10 lakh equity share of rupees 100 each. The earning per share is rupees 20. It has a rate of return of 25%. Capitalization rate of risk class is 12.5%. If Walter model is used, then what should be the optimum payout ratio? So guys, let's recall the 3 points that helps in determining the optimum payout ratio. The first is when R is greater than KE. In this case, payout ratio is equal to 0%. Second case, when R is less than KE. In this the payout ratio is 100%. And third, when R is equals to KE. Here, dividend is irrelevant. So, let's see what our question says. Here, the rate of return is given as 25%. Rate of return is given as 25% and KE is 12.5. So, R is greater than KE. It means payout ratio is 0%. So, this is our first question. The second is, what should be the market price per share at this payout ratio? Now, you have to apply the formula of Walter method, that is P is equals to D upon KE plus R by KE, earning minus dividend upon KE. So, now dividend is equals to earning into payout ratio. So, earning is rupees 20. Rupees 20 into 0% is equals to 0. Now, just put the values into the formula. 0, KE is 0.125 plus R is 0.25 divided by 0.125, earning is 20 minus 0 whole upon 0.125. Just solve it. 0.25 divided by 0.125, 2 into 20 divided by 0.125, 320. So the price for the equity share is 320 when payout ratio is 0%. Now point C. Suppose the company has a payout ratio of rupees 25% of EPS. What would be the price per share? Again apply the same formula. Walter method. P is equals to D by KE plus R by KE, earning minus dividend upon KE. So, dividend is equals to earning into payout ratio. Earning is 20 and payout ratio given is 25%. So, it would be 5. Now, just put the values into the formula. Dividend 5. KE is 0.125 plus R 0.25 upon KE 0.125, earning 20 minus 5, that is dividend whole upon 0.125. Now calculate it. 5 divided by 0.125, 40 plus 0.25 divided by 0.125, 2 into 15 divided by 0.125. 2 into 15 divided by 0.125, 240. So 40 plus 240 is equals to 280. 280 is the price of the share when payout ratio is 25%. D. We have to find the value of the firm. So first calculate the number of shares. Total value of shares upon value of one share. 10 lakh upon 100, which is 10,000 share. Now when payout ratio is 0, then value of firm is equals to 10,000 into the market price of the share when your payout ratio is 0%, that is 320. So 32 lakh when payout ratio is 25%, value of firm is equals to total number of share, that is 10,000 into 280, that will be 28 lakh rupees. So this is the value of the firm when the payout ratio is 25%. So the question is solved here. Now let's start with new method, that is the Gordon model. So first let's see what the formula is. E1 minus B, here B is the retention upon KE minus BR. So E is the earning per share, B retention, which can also be calculated by 1 minus payout ratio. KE is the cost of equity capital, and BR, it is the product of retention and the rate of return. So let's start the question. Following information is available to you in respect of X Limited. Earning per share rupees 10, rate of return 20%, rate of return on equity investment, that is KE 16%. Find out the market price of the share under Gordon model if the firm follows a payout of 50% and B 25%. So let's start our question. First we will write here payout 50% and payout 25%. So basically this payout means the ratio at which the shareholders are given the dividends. So 50% of the earning of the firm is given to the shareholders as the dividend. So retention will be 1 minus payout ratio. So 1 minus 0.5 will be 0.5 or 50%. Here 1 minus 0.25 will be 0.75%. Retention is basically what is retained by the firm. The amount which is retained by the firm is known as retention. KE is given as 16%, 0.16, and rate of return is given as 0.2 or 20%. So BR will be B into R. Here retention is B. We denote retention by B. So 0.5 into 0.1, that is 0.1, and 0.75 into 0.2, that is 0.15. Now just put the values into the formula. E1 minus B, KE minus BR. Here also E1 minus B, KE minus BR. So here your earning is rupees 10. So 10, 1 minus retention, that is B. So 0.5. KE is 0.16 minus BR, 0.1. In this case earning is 10, 1 minus B retention, that is 0.75. KE 0.16 minus BR 0.15. Now calculate it. 10 into 0.5, 0.16 minus 0.1 will be 0.06. 10 into 0.5 divided by 0.06. This is 83.33. So the value of the shares when your payout is 50% is 83.33. Now in the case where the payout ratio is 25%, 10 into 1 minus 0.75 will be 0.25 divided by this would be 0.01. 0.16 minus 0.15 will be 0.01. Now calculate the values. 10 into 0.25 divided by 0.01. 10 into 0.25 divided by 0.01, 250. So this is the value of the shares when the payout ratio is 0.25. So here your question is complete. So guys, if you like this video, then please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.